Welcome to the budget series, where we find out what's actually worth your money and what isn't. And today, we are looking at the DJI Mini 3, a budget drone that sounds almost too good on paper. "4K video, nearly 40 minutes of flight time, and a price way lower than most DJI drones." So the question is, what did they cut to get it this cheap?
DJI Mini 3 is tiny. It folds down, fits basically anywhere, and it's light enough that you don't have to overthink flying it in a lot of regions. Now, for the main reason you would buy this DJI Mini 3, and honestly, it's good. The 4K footage looks sharp, colors are solid, and for daytime shots you can get some really nice results. You've got vertical shooting, which is actually a big deal if you're posting on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Now, low light is where you start to see the limits, but at this price, that's expected. Flight performance is where this really over delivers. It's smooth, stable, and super easy to fly, even if you're completely new. And the battery life is kind of ridiculous. You're getting close to that advertised 38 minutes, which most drones don't even come near. For budget series, that's a big win. But this is where things get real. No obstacle avoidance, no sensors, no backup if you mess up. So if you're flying near trees, buildings, anything like that, you need to be careful. So who should buy this? This makes the most sense if you're just getting into drones, you want something simple for content, or you just don't want to spend a lot. If you want smarter features or more protection, this probably isn't the one.
So for the budget series, does this pass or fail? Honestly, it passes. As long as you know what you're giving up, it's definitely good value for money.